Yeah, it's like literally way too overexposed.
Way too bright. What are we again?
So we take pictures of foreclosed homes.
Camera died, so it's gonna be a phone shot today. What the hell? Here's the actual house. And I'm just taking pictures of the structure. Pictures of the roof. Whoa. Phone is literally like tweaking. I can't figure out how to fix it. I just want it to go away. Come on. Oh, it's got a turnaround driveway too. Wow. That's that. First one was 40 something out. This one's 27 out. How do you feel?
Tired.
Oh.
My head hurts.
Our last house was occupado, so we took pictures from the car. So it's on to the next one.
We never usually get out if there's cars in the driveway because that's just sketchy. 7
minutes away on this one. It looks like it might be the pink one. She was afraid it might have been them. I'm not sure if it's them. 13307.
Yeah.
Do I turn around? They're gonna.
No, don't go back.
I gotta go back. It's my job.
I think you should roll down the windows. Like you look sketcy with the tints.
Me?
Yeah.
You want to roll down the windows? All right, roll them down.
No, I don't know. I don't think we should go back.
Roll them both down.
Just stay there.
I gotta look innocent. Let's see here. I think I'm gonna say hello.
13307.
Is it the pink one?
Is it this one? Yeah.
Yeah. You gonna pull in?
Is anyone in there?
Doesn't look like it. There's a cat. Should I switch to the camera?
Yeah.
So she said, you with the lady that was here yesterday? And I said, no. I don't know who was here yesterday. And she said she was here for the auction. And I said, yeah, that's what I was taking pictures for. And she kept trying to say, come here over here. I'm like, what the fuck?
Definitely not. Yeah.
Oh yeah, what the fuck?
Oh, you're a pit bull, yeah.
Oh my, those were big boys.
Mm-hmm.
That guy looked like a fucking albino himself.
Mm-hmm.
Holy cow. On to the next one. What's up, Low Pup? Hey.
Hi. Aww.
Hey, get in your seat. Get in your seat. Come on.
Get in your seat, baby.
You want water?
She started biting you.
Is there water in there?
Oh my god. It's all over my laptop.
Oh no.
Oh my god.
It's only on the top. Sorry.
Look. Chihuahua. Okay. She wasn't that thirsty.
I would save it till we leave.
No, I'm not gonna have it sitting here.
Just put it out. Side. So here's the next house. Looks like a homeless shelter right here. Should I go to this side? Just real quick. Looks good to me. It's a hedgehog.
Here's on Micaiah.
In 600 feet, turn left onto Cedar Avenue.
We're almost to our next.
Is it just me or did the GPS
Yeah.
not work? It's like lagging behind. We just went up the whole street. Come on, girl. Oh my gosh. Little foot! Little foot! Get up!
Get up, Mama. I don't think we should go.
Why does the street feel so enclosed?
Yeah, it really does. Like everyone knows each other.
Yikes.
Yeah, let's just go.
Should I just drive by again and get one picture?
No, we're not turning by again. This is our second time.
Oh my god. I missed it. Wait, can I see it from here?
Yeah.
Which one is it?
It's the white
It's
one.
the white one
yeah.
right over there.
You say that's all you could get.
I could see the roof from here
Yeah.
too. But
Just get
it's
it.
actually perfect.
Okay. Here's my sweet mama.
Muscles. You don't need to show off.
You're strong, girl.
Strong girl.
Look at her little curl right there.
Or swirl.
Yeah, her swirl.
What's going on there? I heard someone screaming.
Looks like they're just single family homes. I don't see any. I only see one mailbox.
Right? Yeah, yeah.
Yep.
It's huge. Holy crap.
Yep, someone's in the driveway.
Which one's the driveway? This one? Oh, someone's in the car. You know that? Bad.
Oh shit.
That's bad. She has to be more protection.
Here's an abandoned apartment complex.
At another occupied home.
Pretty much all of them have been occupied today.
So just snap a pic and keep it moving. Oh, I gotta get the directions to my next house.
The owners of the house we just went to pulled up on us and said, "Why are you taking pictures?" So we explained to them. They're like, "Oh, okay," and drove off. It was scary. I was like screaming, "Stop!" I wanted him to take off. I was scared.
They were interested. I knew I recognized the car. So we got a bite to eat at Tycologist, and we brought the dog on the porch, and she had some chicken for her dinner. We're back home now. Still got more houses to do, but that will be for another day. You ready to go, Littlefoot? Come on. Eat up. That's all. What are you looking at me for? Eat up. You want to give me paw? Good girl. Good girl. There's nothing in there. Eat it. It's right there. Eat up. Good girl. What is she tweaking about?
She's not eating?
No.
Come on, eat your
She's sitting there
brekkie.
wagging her tail.
Come on. You're wagging your tail.
Do you think she doesn't like it or something?
I don't think she likes it, no.
Are you done with your puppy food? Oh, you're wagging. Oh.
I think she wags her tail.
Like if I seen that in some alley, I would not go down it.
A dog eating like that?
Yeah, like no thank you. And then she gets into it. What does it taste like, Littlefoot? Plain cereal? Good dog waits for her pill. Oh, there it goes. Don't mess with that, Littlefoot. Leave that alone. We gotta make our daily YouTube short of you eating your pill. This is how a good dog eats her pill. You see, she really wants the pill. This dog's fiending for the pill. She really wants it. Watch, she's gonna eat that all gone. It's just that easy. It's just that easy. Eat that pill, good girl. This dog's fiending.
Look what you fiending.
Did you eat your pill all gone, baby?
Eat your pill.
Good girl.
Sit down, good. Good girl.
You did it. You get some more cuties. Are you excited? I'm about to watch YouTube about Mancoons with Mommy.
I don't want to.
Too bad. Too bad. Huh? Let's go, Littlefoot. Come on, girl. Littlefoot. Go outside. What's wrong? Littlefoot. Come on. Let's go outside. Come on, girl. Hey, come on. Littlefoot.
Bye.
Come on. Go outside. What's wrong with you? Go. Hey, come here. Why are you being scared? Come outside. Come on, girlie. What's wrong with you? Let's go. Outside. Come on, get up. Get up. Let's go. Go outside. Go outside. No, go on. Is that what you're scared of? Come on, girl. She is not loving that. Littlefoot, come on, let's go inside. Good girl. Nice blanket.
Calling the cops.
On the tray.
Give me your phone. I don't know where my phone
Who
went.
are you calling?
The cops.
Oh my god.
It's towards me.
No.
It's towards me. My Karen, babe.
Rifle.
You can't start till 8.
Oh my gosh. I hope you know I'm not cutting that out.
Where's the dog? Oh.
Over here being a good girl. Good girl. Everyone. Good morning. Goodbye.
Come on upstairs. Come on.
Come on.
Oh my god, her heart is pounding. Come on.
Let's go.
Come on, girl. Oh my god, she's not going. She's not
Oh, but what's
budging.
wrong?
Alright, whatever.
What is it?
Good girl.
Come now.
Oh, I didn't trust bagel.
Oh, you want me to eat it?
Huh?
You want me to eat it?
No, it's okay, I'll eat it.
So I've arrived at work just on time, 2 minutes early. I'm gonna go clock in and get to work before I get back to you guys. I knew I heard a knock while I was taking a poop. And it looks like... Oh, I don't see anything on the door actually. We didn't miss no mail or UPS. Cool. Can't forget a water. Smells terrible. This is what I'm supposed to clean. gonna go ahead and call the lady. I have to go work at a Cleveland store, so I'm gonna go ahead and call that Cleveland store lady right now. I don't know what work to show. I don't have work to show.
Well, then you gotta go out and take pictures of, you know, like buildings, posts, people, you know?
I don't know what to take pictures of. People are calling me saying, shoot my wedding. What am I supposed to send them pictures of? $16 for lunch. Personally, I think that's a little too much. I'm gonna wait to order it until I get closer, not gonna lie. I went to the bank, going to go live. Something's smoking in the oven. Pretty dirty anyway. Don't see what's on fire. Never really understood how I'm supposed to put away the dishes that are completely wet. Good girl. Hi, Littlefoot. Good girl.